Guys, it's Arav Entertainment here. Today I'm going to be showing you an unboxing video. Now a lot of people have been complaining about my sound, so that's why I bought a mini microphone. So this is made from China. It's a really nice box, so we're going to be opening it. Now, this is really nice. Okay, wow. Well, this is like a bag. Just to be honest, it's actually really soft, and we're going to be opening this to find a mini microphone. Now, for this, we're going to, oh goodness, I accidentally tied it, but don't worry, I can fix it. Anyways, hey, I already fixed it. Anyways, since a lot of you have been complaining about my sound, I decided that's it. I'm going to get a microphone. Now, this microphone cost a lot. It cost $70 for this microphone. Now, I've been wondering, if I get more subscribers, I'm going to be getting another microphone. Now, until I untangle this, I'm going to be talking to you about this microphone. Well, I already untangled it. Well, now, this microphone has to go on your shirt, but it's really hard to hold like this. So I'm just going to speak like this. Now, you might not. Now, I'm going to speak on this microphone from now on until the future. Until then, please like and subscribe to Arav Entertainment. Until that subscriber goes gray, I'm going to be giving out this microphone. Just joking. I'm not going to be giving it out. In the future, I will. But until then, please like and subscribe.